Hello everyone, welcome to Abhiyan Tech. Here in this video I will show you how to install Java JDK 21 version and also show you how to set up the path for the Java JDK in Windows operating system. So now to download the Java JDK, first open any browser. Here I am opening Chrome browser and search for Java JDK and click on enter. So then here it will show you the first link www.oracle.com. So click on this Java downloads. Now here this page will open. Here the latest versions are Java 26, Java 25, Java 21 are there. So now I want to I want to go with the Java 21. So now for this you click on this Java 21. So and I want to install for Windows. So click on Windows, then take a x64 MSI installer. Here you click on this. So then Java JDK will be downloaded here. It will take some time to download. Let us wait for some time. Now it was downloaded successfully. Now open it in the downloads. Now here you click you double click on this file. So now this window will open. Click on next and also click on next. So Java JDK will be installed. Now if any pop-up came, you just click on yes. Now you are getting this window. So click on close. That's all. Java JDK is installed successfully. But for, if you want to use this Java JDK, first we need to set up the path. For setting the path for the Java JDK, first we need to go to the search box. So then open the environment variables. Now you click on env. Sorry, you just type of env. Then you will get edit the system environment variables. Now you click on this link. And then this window will open. Now go to environment variables. So now here in this under system variables you select new and here you type Java _home. So this is in capital letters. Now under the variable name we need to provide the path for the Java which is installed in our system. So for this go to this PC and go to C drive. Now under this go to program files. Here Java is there. Now it is the our installed Java JDK. Now open this. Now here JDK 21.0.11 is there. You double click on this. Now you just on this you just click it. So now you will get the complete path for the Java JDK without bin. Okay, you copy this and paste here under the variable value. So then click on OK. Now here Java home is set to C in program files Java JDK 21.0.11. Now go to path. So double click on the path. So then take new. Now here type %Java _home %, then \. So bin path we need to set. So /bin we need to type. So that's all. So then click on OK and again click on OK, again click on OK. That's all about how to set the path for the JDK. So then if you want to check whether Java is successfully installed in your system or not, then open the command prompt. So just click CMD in the search box and open the command prompt. Now here you type Java space -- version. Enter. So now you are getting Java version which was installed just now. So which is Java 21.0.11 version. So this is how to install the Java JDK from the official website and how to set the path. So if you have any doubts, you comment here. And if you want to write one Java program and if you want to run this, so let us see here that. So now in the downloads, I will take one file which is a text file. Now for this text file, I will save the name with the hello dot java. Enter. Now if you observe here, the file will be saved in the form of a text document. So if you observe the type here, when you show your cursor here, now it is showing text document, but it must be Java document. So now for this, what you need to do is go to views, under this go to show and click on file name extension. Now if you observe here, this file name extension, what it is there, .txt is there at the end. So now actually for the Java files, .java should be there. So now you need to remove that .txt. You click on rename. So then remove this .txt. Then click on enter. So click on yes. Now this will become a Java file. Now open this file either with the Visual Studio Code or with the Notepad also you can open. So I'm opening with the Notepad here. So now here you can write your Java program. Okay. So Java program, how you can write for hello world? First you will take class hello. I am taking. So then inside this class we must have the main method, which is the starting point of our execution. Type public static void main string array args. So under this we want to print the hello world. So now for printing hello world, type system.out.println hello world. Okay, so this is the program. Okay, you can even take here public also. Okay, I'm saved. Now the program has saved with the hello.java. Now here from the downloads we need to run the files. Now here you need to open the cmd in downloads. So now here you click here and type cmd, enter. Now the cmd will be opened in the downloads. Now here we need to compile the hello.java file and then execute it. For compilation we use javac space hello.java. If there are any errors will be displayed here. Here see the class hello is public, should be declared in a file named hello.java only. Actually here our file is mentioned with the, so when you open this with the notepad, now here we mention the class hello as public. If it is public, you must have to save the file name with the class name only. So now here you replace the file name with the capital hello. Okay. So then again execute here java c hello h capital here, enter. Now there are no errors. Now you execute it. Execution command is java space hello, enter. Now you are getting hello world. So this is the way of executing the Java programs. Okay. So if you have any doubts, you comment here, and thank you for watching the video.